What? Why is it so good? Oh, you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Oh my God. You guys, hello, all of you beautiful people out there. It is me, Madison. I hope you're doing so well today. Look at what we have today. Oh my God, calm down. It's just a cake. You don't understand. I'm so excited. Today is a very special video for me. We are celebrating my 3,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Yay! And to celebrate, I went out and got my very own I haven't had dessert in so long, you guys don't even know. My very own vegan cookies and cream cake. Oh my God. Look, okay, I'm going to try to show you. Look, it even says 3,000 on it. Yay. Okay, you guys, I'm so freaking pumped for this cake. You don't have a freaking clue. You guys, okay. So I'm celebrating my 3,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Before I dig in, I do want to say thank you so much for taking the time out to subscribe to my channel, to watch my videos, to leave comments, to say super nice things. You have no idea how much that means to me. I know, like, you hear YouTubers say it and you're like, whatever, like, it's nice, but like to be on the other side of it, it's so heartwarming. And I just, I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, let's dig into this beautiful cake, okay? Okay. So I got this cake at a bakery in Austin called Sugar Mama's Bakery. They're not an all vegan bakery, but they have vegan options, and this is their most popular vegan cake. Do you like all my sprinkles I put down here? Yum. Okay. And then to go along with my cake, oops, I have some almond milk. If I had my choice, I would have got cashew milk because it's super creamy, but almond milk is good. It'll do just fine. Okay. So I'm going to eat it from this side so you guys can see on the inside. Okay. Here we go. This is gonna fall apart. Oh, pick that up here. Oh, you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, the inside is so good. Okay. Oh, fuck. Oh my God. Okay, I need to get more of that cake on the inside. I'm a cake person. Like, some people are like frosting. They like to eat the frosting. I like frosting, but I love the cake. I love the cake. Oh my God. You guys, okay. Stop. Oh my God. Stop. Oh. You guys don't know. Oh my God. I'm trying to like look in the camera, see where I'm going here. Oh my goodness. Oh. You guys, oh my God. Look, I put these little sprinkles on here. Oh, fuck. So, I do really mean thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I love making mukbang so much. I love it so freaking much. And I put a lot of time and energy into my videos, so it means so much to like get, you know, to receive your support and your kind words. Like, it's just so nice, you know? Oh my God. That was a little baby one. I'm getting warmed up, you guys. Actually, let's go. Oh! Oh, I'm dropping sprinkles everywhere. Oh, Nana. I'm filling in frosting too. She asked me to do a dessert video. So this is also for you, okay, girlfriend? Vegan cookies and cream cake. Holy shit. Who would have thought it'd be so good? The more inside the cake you go, the better. Like the frosting is like just basically if you put Oreos in a blender and blend it up till it's really creamy. That's exactly what the frosting tastes like. But this cake is so bomb. Oh, God. Yum. Okay. Oh my. I can't really see what I'm doing. Come here, cake. Come here. Where are you? There we go. Oh my God. Let me show you something else. Oh, so good. Okay. So when I went to go to the bakery to get the cake, it wasn't there yet because they have 2 bakeries and they had to deliver it. So I had to wait like 5 minutes, like nothing. And they were like, we're so sorry you had to wait. Would you like a free cupcake? And they gave me a vegan pink champagne cupcake. It's so freaking cute. Look at this. Yum. It's got little glitters on it. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is actually gluten-free too. Oh, it feels so soft, you guys. I'm going to be so high after this. Sugar rush, like crazy. You see how squishy that is? Oh, it's about to go down, you guys. I love vegan dessert. I wish I could bake. I can't bake. I'm not good at it. Like, you have to be so super precise and follow recipes so precisely that I'm just not good at that. I'm not good at that. So I'm in heaven right now. Okay, let's try this. Oh my goodness, let's try this. Here we go. Oh, my dog's got my shoe. Okay, here we go. What? Why is it so good? Oh my God. Okay. Full disclosure, I could go with like minus 80% of the frosting, maybe even 90. So I'm going to pick my fingers and put it right there. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. Oh, you guys. Oh, I'm like dissecting this poor cupcake, but it's so good. Okay, here we go. You guys are probably cringing. Like, why are you eating your cupcakes like that? I don't like to like bite into like a bunch of frosting at once. Oh my God. I like the cake part. Oh. Go home. Oh, you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Oh. Oh my God. I wish you guys could have some of this. When I worked at Sonic, my favorite thing to eat, or my favorite smoothie to make, was the Oreo. Look at this bite. It looks like a zebra. Okay, sorry. My dog is tearing up my shoes. I had to go get it from her. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, I can't eat that whole thing. Who would have thought a vegan dessert would be so good? Like who? Oh, speaking of vegan, I'll give a shout out to one girl. Her name is Earth Tanae, who I found today when I was going to get my cake. When I was waiting for my cake, I was sitting in the bakery, and I was like just searching on YouTube on mukbangs, and this video came up, and it said my first vegan mukbang, and I was like, that's my shit. So who is this? And it's Earth Tanae. And she does vegan mukbangs. Well, she just did her first vegan mukbang here on YouTube. And she is absolutely stunning. And I watched her whole video and I love her. Oh my God. So let's all please go to her channel, please, and show her some support. I'm going to link it down below. Please go check out her channel. Let's show some support. You know, we got to support each other and keep each other going. So please go check her out. Again, I think I've said this 3 times. I'll link her information in the description below. So go check her out. It's so random, like how you come across people. Like I clicked on her video and she had 1 subscriber and I was her 2nd subscriber. First the worst, second the best. So go subscribe to her, please, and tell her I sent you and tell her she's awesome. Okay? Thanks. Because you're awesome. I'm gonna be so sugar rushed after this. I need some water. Gotta wash it down with some agua. So the other day, somebody was asking me, how long does it take to film a mukbang for you? And I kind of wanted to talk about that. I wanted to talk about like my process of how long it takes me to film a mukbang. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. So the very first thing I do whenever I start to do my mukbang process or whatever is think about the food that I want to make. Typically, I like to recreate things that are traditional, like foods that you wouldn't think of that are vegan, and recreate them vegan style. So you know what I mean? Like I made fettuccine alfredo, and I make the fast food recreations and all that stuff, because I want to share with the world that, you know, just because you're vegan doesn't mean you have to eat a salad for lunch. You know what I mean? I mean, obviously, look what I'm eating. This is my lunch. So I start by thinking about what I want to make. And I've been vegan for a long time now. So like knowing alternative ingredients is it's like secondhand to me. So sometimes I'll like look up random recipes and stuff like that. So once I decide what I have to make, I go to the store, obviously, and get the groceries. And then, okay, so this is how my day starts. Like I've already got my groceries or whatever. So I wake up, and I have to make sure I have the whole day off. I wake up, and sometimes I don't even have the whole day off, and it takes me like forever to finally get the video up. So anyways, I wake up early. I have to be out of bed by like 8:00. And I start to get ready. Like I do my hair, and I put on my makeup, which takes me forever. If you've like been in any of my lives, you know that it takes me forever to get ready. Because sometimes I'll do like get ready with me live streams, and they're like well over an hour long. So I do that, and I have to do my makeup before I start cooking. You have to take care of yourself before you do everything else. It's like, you know, when the airbags come out of the airplane and they're like, cover you before you cover your child. That's what I have to do. Get yourself looking good before you make that food look good. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And then what I do is before I start cooking, I come to this area right here and I have to like move a table. I have to set up my lights. I have to open all the windows because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 windows. I have to make sure they're all open. I have 2 in the kitchen, well, 3 in the kitchen, 2 right here, 2 right there, and they in my room. So they have to all be open and bright. And I have to film during the day. And then I have a ring light right here. I'm going to link that down below because people ask me about that. So I have all of those things set up, all the things open, and then I put my tripod right here on the table, and then this is on books, so I put that on books, and then I have a little side table, like one of those little TV tables that I put extra stuff on right here, and I get everything set up, and I do a little test video, and now I test the audio because when I did the foods that I hate video, audio was fucked up the first time and I don't know what happened. So I have to always test the audio now. Always. So I get my position ready. I'm sitting on a little like box right now. I am wearing pants. That's a first. And then once my filming setup is all ready, like everything has to be ready. My silverware has to be over here, my napkin, my cup of ice, my cans of soda. Everything has to be ready because I want to eat my food when it's hot. And usually, I'll get to that in a second, but it doesn't always work out that way. So then I cook my food and it's a catastrophe in my kitchen. It's destroyed. I know. She's right. But the good thing is my dog will like pick up little scraps and stuff. And okay, so then I cook my food in the kitchen. And then I plate it all up and I bring it here and I sit down. So all I have to do is open my camera and press record. Yes, ma'am. And that's what I do. So by this point in the day, it's probably like 2:00. Honestly, 6 hours. Yeah. It takes about 6 hours. I don't know. I guess I just take forever, but sometimes, I mean, it's not always that late. Sometimes it is. And I like relax and stuff and take my time. And so, okay. So then I film and then I go, and watch it back, for a little bit, make sure it looks good. Then I go and upload it to my computer. Oh no. Look, hair. Story of my life. So once it's uploaded to my computer, I start editing it. I use Filmora, and also, like, I get a lot of questions about my thumbnails. What I do is while my video is playing on my phone, I take screenshots and then use those because those are the best quality. Like, you can take screenshots within the software like Filmora or on your computer, but the quality isn't as good, I found. So then I edit, and then it takes so long to export my videos from Filmora. I need to like check out my rendering, whatever, which thank you to Alan Spicer who helped me with that. He is a YouTuber who does like YouTuber tools, YouTuber how to. He does a lot of videos like how to help small YouTubers. That's how much I like him. He is great. He's helped me a lot. I'm gonna link his channel right there. Go subscribe to him. He's brilliant. He's really helped me a lot. Anyways, I asked him, I was like, what's up with my software? And he told me to check my rendering settings. So I'm going to do that. Because it takes like 5-6 hours to render or to like export a whole video. So that takes forever. Usually like I'll like render it while I'm asleep. Export, I keep saying rendering. I'll export it before I go to bed. So in the morning it's ready. And then I do that. Then I work on my thumbnail, obviously. And then what else do I do? So at this point, I mean, it's late in the day. And then I take my video and upload it to YouTube, and then I add my tags. I do the title. I put my end screen annotations, my info cards, all that stuff I write in the description. Like I try to write as much as possible in my description. It's a lot of work. It takes like to do one whole video start to finish takes like 8 hours probably, like if you like mash it all into one, and that's not always including the export time. So it just takes forever, but I'm not complaining. Like I love it so much. Anyways, I'm not even eating my freaking cake. I'm so full, you have no idea. Okay, let's let this be my last bite. I'm gonna get a good bite. I want to just get a good chunk of cake. I'm just destroying this cake, but you know what? It's my cake. Look at all this cake down here. Yum. Yummy, yummy. Aw, you guys, thanks again so much for subscribing to my channel. Like, it means I could talk about it all day. It does mean a lot. And also, you guys, don't forget that I make 2 videos per week. Every Sunday and Wednesday, I upload a video for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!